County until 2 p.m. at 11:59.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for western Logan until 4:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced very heavy rain between Bell Center, Huntsville, and Russell's Point. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. An early stationary thunderstorm continues to produce heavy rain with another 1 to 2 inches possible. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that could experience flooding include Bell Center, DeGraff, Lakeview, and Russell's Point. Runoff from this excessive rain will affect locations along the South Fork of the Great Miami River, including those well downstream of the heavy rain in western Logan County. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do